tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Well, it has been a very active start to the severe weather season. 1,035 total confirmed tornadoes to date, 16 of those happening in the state of Michigan. But it looks like we should be able to breathe easy for a few days around here. As you can see that we have our latest disturbance continuing to track away to the southeast. It was kind of a soggy start as you headed toward I-94 this morning, but looks like the clouds and the showers are continuing to dissipate, and high pressure looks to take over from the northwest. That'll bring us some very pleasant conditions over these next couple days here. There's a look at how much rain fell early this morning in Benton Harbor, receiving a good soaking, just under 7/10 of an inch. 1/1800ths in Kalamazoo, 1600ths in Battle Creek, and 900ths of an inch in Charlotte. So as we look at the rainfall estimates, these are radar generated. An inch of rain toward Dowagiac, and also picking up about 2/10 of an inch in Kalamazoo, 6/10 of an inch in Greenville. You can see that the rain largely evaded Grand Rapids. We had just a few drops here and there over the past 24 hours. Going through time on Futurecast, you can see those clouds continuing to melt away into this afternoon. There could be a thin strip of showers, which generates along the lake breeze there, as you can see, extending from Hastings to the south near Kalamazoo and Sturgis. So that's the one area that there might be a pop-up shower, but it looks like the remainder of West Michigan should stay dry through the rest of the day, and then we'll welcome the sunshine in full force as we go through Thursday and most of Friday. So looks like some nice conditions are coming soon. So just that slight chance at an afternoon shower. A couple of fairly chilly nights. We're expecting to see lows in the low to mid 40s. A couple spots could drop into the 30s, so be prepared for that. But a warming trend does take over as we get into the weekend, 70s and 80s. Some fair weather cumulus clouds dotting the skies there in Grand Rapids right now. Checking in on temperatures across the upper Midwest, you can see that those extend from the upper 50s in Houghton and Duluth at 56 to the 60s across most of lower Michigan, now 62 in Flint, currently 63 in South Bend, near 70 for Des Moines and Davenport. Looking in closer toward home here, a temperature of 63 in Greenville. It's currently 58. So cooler conditions there in Benton Harbor with the wind off the lake. 68 in Muskegon, currently 65 in Allegan. And the wind is fairly calm, between 5 and 10 miles per hour, but it is stronger as you approach Lake Michigan. So probably a day to stay off the big lake, as you can see that we have a small craft advisory there in that area of purple on your screen, waves between about 2 and 4 feet, and also a beach hazard statement. So best to stay out of the water. It is still fairly chilly also. Just make sure you're being careful if you're going to the lake shore today. High temperatures near 70 for this afternoon as the clouds continue to erode. Tonight we'll see temperatures plummet down into the lower and middle 40s before bouncing back to about 70 tomorrow afternoon with bright sunny skies. There's a look at your 8-day forecast. Temperatures on the incline moving forward into the middle and upper 70s this weekend. A shot at some showers and storms on Saturday, and it looks like an unsettled start to next week with highs right over 80 degrees going through Monday into next Wednesday. Emily and Sue?